Watch carefully. Meet Martin, a man diligently working at home. His actions reveal how an ordinary family can dig their own water well. For older generations, this traditional method of well digging may seem familiar. In the past 20 to 30 years, it was common for rural households to have their own hand-dug wells. This family, living in a remote area with frequent water supply issues, decided to dig a well in their backyard to resolve their water problems. Having previous well digging experience, they chose to undertake the task themselves instead of hiring professionals. From start to finish, the well was entirely dug by the family's hands. They employed the caisson construction method using concrete pipes for support, allowing them to sink by their own weight as digging progressed. This method is relatively safe due to the support of the concrete pipes. Decades ago, in rural areas, most wells were manually excavated and then lined with bricks or stones. Compared to that, the current method of well digging is much safer. The use of a jackhammer made the process easier, and the soil quality was good, with few obstacles like rocks. As digging continued, the concrete pipes would sink further into the hollowed-out area below, necessitating the addition of more pipes on top. These pipes had male and female ends, making placement more convenient. Maintaining a vertical angle ensured that the pipes aligned correctly without significant misplacement. As the digging reached about 13 feet deep, the soil became moist, and some say a coolness in summer and warmth in winter could be felt underground. Although the video made the progress seem rapid, reaching such depth could take 1 to 2 days in reality. With a new day, accumulating